Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to the lesson on angle of elevation, angle of depression and bearing. So what is angle of elevation? Angle of elevation is the angle between the horizontal and the line of sight to an object above the horizontal. Say the object is at B and a person is viewing from point A. AC is the horizontal and AB is the sight, line of sight. So if you join these two lines, and the angle X represents angle of elevation. Now angle of depression, this is the angle between the horizontal and the line of sight to an object below the horizontal. Say a person is at B, he is viewing point A. So he is looking down the point down. BC is the horizontal line here, and the line of sight is AB or BA. So the angle Y is the angle of depression. So always remember that in case of angle of elevation, the object must be above the horizontal line. And in case of depression, the object must be below the horizontal line. And we will show the angle of elevation or depression from a reference point. That is, say here at A is the reference point and the angle of elevation is X, and in this case point B is the reference point and the angle of depression is Y. If we combine these two figures, we'll get like this. In this case, Y and X both are equal because they are alternate angles. So angle of elevation and angle of depression both are equal here. So X equal to Y because they are alternate angles. Now about bearing. A bearing is an angle measured clockwise from the north direction. Say here point A and another point is B. If I ask you what is the bearing of B from A, so A is the reference point where we have to show the angle, we have to draw the north direction, and we have to join point A and point B. Then the angle between AN and AB measured clockwise is the angle of and is the angle bearing. Say this angle is 60.5 degree. So we can write bearing of B from A equal to 060.5 degree. You have to remember that before decimal point, this must be filled by 3 digits. 60 degree here, so you have to fill by 0 to make it 3 digits. Now the bearing of A from B, bearing of A from B. So for B is the reference point, A is the required point. So in this case we have to show the angle at B from north direction. The angle will be this one. So if this angle is X, this X equal to 60.5 degree alternate angles. Therefore, bearing of A from B will be this 180 degree plus x, that is 60.5 degree. Bearing of A from B will be 180 degree plus 60.5 degree, that is 240.5 degree. So always remember, you have to measure the angle from the reference point and from the north direction. We have to rotate the angle clockwise direction, and the angle must be in 3 digits before decimal point. These 3 points we have to remember.